Are you looking for an affordable condo within a walking distance to MRT and shopping mall? The Nautical is a new medium-rise project from 2016. Hi, I'm Emily Lim from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. The Nautical is located next to Sembawang Shopping Centre and you are just 7 minutes walk to the Canberra MRT station and 12 minutes walk to Sembawang MRT and the Sun Plaza. 435 units in total. The Nautical offer its residents the facility which include a tennis court, gym, barbecue area, children playground, rooftop farming, and 2 large pools to do your morning laps. As you walk in from the entrance, you will instantly be greeted by a spacious living graced by the bright natural light and coming through the full length height balconies. This beautiful 2-bedroom 764 square feet with high ceiling on the top floor where you are able to enjoy the pool view and the greenery landscape. Imagine coming home to this cozy apartment and chilling out with a glass of wine after a hard day work. The dining is perfect for 6-seater guests. Visualize yourself hosting a nice gathering for dinner with friends and family. You are going to love the master room that it can fit king-size bed. Common rooms are cozy for you to work from home. Whether you are an investor or buying this apartment for stay, please do give me a call. I'm Emily Lim from OrangeTee and Thai. It will be my pleasure to show you this beautiful home. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click the notification button.
AAG, the #1 top division in OrangeTee and Thai.